Hi guys, it's Box of Goth unboxing again, and this month is for the April box, which is my birthday month, which they were very kind enough to give me for nothing. These are still very genuine experiences and opinions of my own. They won't be influenced by the fact that it was free, although I do think it was a very nice thing for them to do. They didn't have to. They're a very small company that only do a limited number of these boxes every month, so it was generous of them, really. And we have little confetti bats, which I love bats, so yeah, nice. Oh, purple and black, perfect, and a green one there. I tried to do something with my nails to give it a crafty feel, dipped in paint, but yeah, some work better than others. Yeah, anyway, back to the box. It's got absolutely nothing to do with this box, but yeah. Purple noodlies. Get rid of all the noodlies and see what's in here. It's very nice. What have we got? Accessory cemetery, I presume that is. Sorry, there we go. Accessories for the dead and homewhere to die for. Oh, that's cool. So in there, we'll see. I think it's maybe a fridge magnet. I'll have to open it up and see in a minute. And pinky, purpley. That's nice. Sugar skull necklace. Really nice. I like that. I'll take that out and leave that. Open that in a minute as well. Beautiful, which I presume is rose quartz. Yes, raw rose quartz crystal, polished to bring out its shine. But personally, I like raw crystals, so that suits me fine. That is lovely. A very nice, chunky, heavyweight piece. And the badge for the box is a cool. Not sure. There we go. That is gorgeous. I love that. Very elfin looking pointy chin. Oh dear, love spell candles, of course, which are pink. And I personally don't do pink. I'm not a very big fan of pink at all, never have been. And my mum's the same. So I was never a pink child growing up, which is good because it kind of clashes with my ginger nut hair. There we go, love spell candles. They don't smell of anything, they smell like wax, but I presume that's so that you can add your own oils to make up the spell. And a pin badge. More dead than alive. That figures some days, that is so true. And again, a beautiful pink organza badge. Bag. And then the purple pin badge. Here we go. A pair of big dangly earrings. They're nice. They're purpley pink again. Slightly more purple, thankfully. like literally dead. That's a nice sticker. That's a good size as well. Pretend nose rings. That is cool. They're big for me, but I presume you have to press them together or something. So yeah, we'll see. Nose and lip rings. Sorry, I should have read that a bit better. Oh, another purple bat. Yay, purple bat. That's the piece of paper that says what's on it. You can tell because it's got the pin badge thing on the back, and then I have a little wrapped parcel there, which if I'll pause this for a second and then unwrap all the prezzies, and then we can have a look properly. Okay, so I opened up all the parcels. These definitely match. It's a nice set. This is a lovely smelling piece of wood that's got a magnet on the back. And that's the pin badge. But this has me squealing for joy. Literally, I've got a piece of jawline jewellery. Look at this. This is amazing. The eye closes and opens. Beautiful blue eye, just like my own. And that's on a ring. That is excellent. I love this. Thank you, Box of Goth. Amazing. Another amazing month. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'll see you guys next time. Oh, no, just 1 second. Before I do that, I'll go through this. Dolly Eye Ring by Jawline Jewellery. Like Literally Dead Coffin sticker by Peaked in the 90s. More Dead Than Alive enamel pin. Wood coffin magnet by Accessory Cemetery. Pentagram earrings. Not so pastel but shiny green, so I'll take it. Faux lip nose ring. Skull necklace. Natural rose crystal quartz, and the theme pin badge, and of course Box of Goth. You'll have to get, if you're interested in one of these, you will have to get on to their site really quickly, as they have only got a few left now. They will be, as usual, doing an Instagram and Facebook giveaway, so check that out as well. Thank you, girls. That is awesome. I am thoroughly pleased with this month's box, and looking very much forward to next month's. Thank you. Bye for now.